Hello everyone! Today we are going to be reviewing this Halloween scratch paper set. The package includes 48 scratch paper in 12 different shapes, 48 wooden sticks and 48 colorful ribbons for hanging. These Halloween craft papers are made of premium paper with a black coating on the surface, non-toxic and safe for kids. The scratch sticks are made of wood, safe, environmentally friendly, durable and not easy to fade and deform. This is a great activity for children to develop their own imagination. It will be fun to do the art crafts with your kids together, preparing for the coming Halloween. Create colorful and full of Halloween holiday atmosphere. Great for a party, craft project, family fun day, art class, school project and classroom activity. We would definitely recommend it.